Hey there, fellow adventurers in the land of US visas. Get ready to embark on a visa booking journey that's going to be as smooth as silk. We're diving into the nitty-gritty of securing that F1 visa slot, and trust me, we're not wasting any time. So, buckle up and let's make this happen. Before we jump into the visa slot magic, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button below. Yep, that's right, we're dropping golden nuggets of wisdom here regularly, and you wouldn't want to miss out on those, would you? Alright, let's dive right in with our roadmap to visa success. Musical note. Now, in our previous videos we covered everything from decoding your I-20 to ACING the DS-160 form. We've got you covered. If you've missed out on these gems, catch up because they're the stepping stones to what we're about to tackle today. Okay, the moment of truth is here. We're ready to book that visa slot, and you need to be armed with your trusty sidekicks, your passport, I-20, and DS-160 confirmation number. Keep them close, my friends, because we're about to make magic happen. Step 1. We're marching over to ustraveldocs.com. But hang on, before you get all click happy, there's a little choice to make. You are asked to pick your location. Don't worry, this is no trivia quiz, we're going with India. Tap, and voila, you are in the magical realm of the US Travel Docs India website. Now, in this enchanted land, F1 students like us have our very own path, the non-immigrant category. But hold your horses, there's some important intel you need to absorb about consular exchange rates and the interview waiver application. Trust me, these scrolls of wisdom hold the secrets you seek. Alright, let's get down to business. You're itching to click that login button, but whoa there. If you're a newbie like us, it's registration time. Brace yourselves, because we're creating our profile. Fill in those blanks with utmost accuracy, because passport and DS-160 details need to be singing the same tune. Got a password that's a mix of letters and numbers? Perfect. Now, let's get through the checkpoint. Hit submit after agreeing to that privacy policy. Bookmark those login details you'll see in the top right corner. Trust me, they're the keys to your visa kingdom, so keep them safe. Oh, wait, there's more treasure to uncover. Scroll down to unveil a notice that spells out the importance of matching your details with your passport and DS-160. It's like finding the secret map to a hidden treasure. Read every word. A quick tap, and we're back on track. Hit that login button, because it's showtime. But wait, didn't we just register? Well, yes, we did. So, let's go for register as a new user. Time to be honest with your details, and don't worry, we won't judge if you use an alias. Make sure that country for the visa is India, emails are okay, and cook up a password that fits the bill. Agree to the rules, show you're human, and let that submit button feel the love. And no, save those login details like your life depends on it. They're your golden ticket to the visa carnival. Pause, folks, there's another enchanted scroll to decipher. It's all about how to navigate the US non-immigrant visa labyrinth. Trust me, it's a spellbook filled with tips and tricks. Dive in and unravel the magic. Back on track, click login, and we're facing the gates of login land. But hang on, we're newbies, remember? So, it's the register as a new user, right? We're hopping on. Embark on this journey with details that are as precise as a master archer's aim. Keep it consistent with your passport and DS-160, and create that password fortress. Agree to the privacy pact, show you're human, and voila, you've just sent your registration raven. Quick, memorize those top right details. It's your Hogwarts letter to visa world, so guard them well. The next quest, decode the details on your passport, like a codebreaker extraordinaire. Passport dates, date of birth, and nationality, oh my. And don't forget the I-20 enchantment, with its service number, university name, and zip code. Any dependents joining your quest? If not, we march on. Are you the chosen one for the interview waiver program? Well, if you've faced the visa dragon before, you might be eligible. But let's assume you're a brave soul venturing for the first time. Select no, and let's ride this adventure solo. Ready for a passport pickup spell? Choose your flavor: premium delivery or old school pickup. Read the terms and conditions. Scroll, my friend, they've got some wizardry in there. Hold up, we're talking visa fees now, and here's a tip. Read the fine print, because these fees are like the phoenix once paid, they're not coming back. Confirm, and let's power on. Payment methods. Choose electronic, mobile, or over the counter. For now, we're heading to the counter like it's a thrilling scavenger hunt. And that fee? It's 12,800 rupees, folks. Trust me, it's like the golden snitch of visa fees, important and not to be missed. Here's a little treasure chest of tips. Use incognito mode if you're stuck in the visa quicksand. Refresh the page for a clean slate, and remember, visa slots are like hidden gems, they show up when you least expect it. And there you have it, fellow explorers. Visa slots conquered. You're equipped with the wisdom, patience, and perseverance it takes. If this guide is your map to success, hit that like button and share it with your fellow adventurers. We've got more treasures coming your way, so stay tuned, keep dreaming big, and remember, the visa world is yours to conquer.